Hey guys, welcome back to Motivation and Box Trucking. I'm so excited to continue the state trucking series with you all. But before we get into it, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button. And if you know anyone who's interested in trucking or is currently an owner operator but is kind of stuck in the rut, be sure to share this video with them. So without further ado, let's get right into
What's moving Kentucky? Kentucky is synonymous with many things: derbies, bourbon, and fried chicken. If you are looking to start a career in trucking in the state of Kentucky, you will be surrounded by culture and good eats. You may even get a chance to enjoy some of it on your days off, but you will be busy during the week. Your wheels will be turning, helping to deliver some of the country's highest value of freight. In 2022, Kentucky was ranked number 15 in freight moved by all modes of transportation. By 2050, freight moved by truck is expected to increase 53% by weight and 99% by value. Truckers with a CDL in Kentucky average $63,530 a year. However, salaries range based on location. The top earners can be found in Louisville, Somerset, Lexington, and Paducah, with salaries over $90,000. Let's take a look at what agricultural commodities are contributing to the Kentucky economy. A commodity is a raw material or primary agricultural product that can be bought and sold, such as copper or coffee. It is also a useful or valuable thing, such as water or your time. Top agricultural commodities in Kentucky are corn, broilers, soybeans, animal and animal products, and lastly, cattle and calves, each contributing over $1 billion annually. When it comes to corn, the number one product, most of the corn is transported by semi-trucks. Those semi-trucks have double hoppers or open bed trailers, which can transport about 1,000 bushels of grain. When purchasing equipment for your fleet, you may want to consider investing in double hoppers or open bed trailers so your company can cash in on some of those billions. Next, we will explore the agricultural exports in the state of Kentucky. An export is a commodity, article, or service sold abroad. These items are raised or grown in Kentucky, then transported out of the state. Kentucky's number one export are other livestock products, such as milk and eggs, contributing $789 million annually. Next are soybeans, corn, tobacco, and lastly, other feeds and feed grains. The top export international destinations for products from Kentucky are Canada, the UK, Mexico, France, and China. Now we will take a look at what items are moved by truck other than the aforementioned agricultural products. First, we have aircraft engines and parts. Next, we have whiskeys, that's followed by artificial body parts, and lastly, thoroughbred horses. Now, when it comes to Amazon Relay, Kentucky has many opportunities. There are facilities located in Lexington, Campbellsville, Hebron, and Erlanger, with box truck opportunities running daily. If you want to learn more about making Amazon Relay a successful partnership to increase your company's profits, join us over on Patreon, where we share some of our Amazon Relay knowledge plus strategies that have helped us maintain six figures year after year as owner-operators. We have a free tier and a paid tier, so there's something for everyone. The link is in the description below. Networking can play a significant role in the success or failure of your logistics company, and we highly suggest you join the Kentucky Trucking Association for local resources that help you start and maintain your trucking company. Visit kytrucking.net for the 2025 upcoming events calendar. There you will find council meeting dates and registration information for the annual membership conference scheduled for July. Get to know the leaders of the Kentucky logistics industry and how they can connect your company with more transportation opportunities. With that, we wrap up the Kentucky segment of What's Moving, a state trucking series. We invite you to check out all 50 states. Until next time, stay safe and stay motivated.